Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger group delay. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger group delay, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Messenger. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make error on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.